The doctor went to his inner office, pulled out a card, referring me to Butch. So I tried it, because I'm against taking medications if I can possibly avoid it. And he has helped me. He's helped me get rid of my restless leg syndrome. He's helped me with my joint pain. He's helped me with my knees and hips, and therefore I hope to avoid, I don't have any hip replacement, knee replacement, or any other metal or other moving parts in my body. And I'm 84 years old, and he has helped me, and we're in tune in our philosophy. Every place else, my blood pressure runs high when the doctor tests it. Here, I feel great, and he's a great conversationalist. He's got knowledge in many, many areas, and we have a ball talking and laughing about philosophy and life. And so it's not a medical event. It's more of a social event, and it's lighthearted, and I enjoy it.